We're going to have katolgo for breakfast. It smells so good. Here we are having a lot of matoke, and today I am so happy I'm going to cook matoke, but not from our garden. But soon I will show you guys where I always pick our matoke from. Up there we're having the other matoke, and over the other side we're having a lot of matoke. Hi everyone, my name is Fiona Auma, girl from Kyoga. In today's video I am going to show you guys how to make matoke, but I just bought this one from out. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, supporting girl from Kyoga. Let's go and cook our matoke. I'm going to buy matoke for 2,000. She's packing it for me. I'm going to try. Keep doing it. You want me to come and show you? The banana is finished. Do like this. Do like this. I finished the banana. Maybe that knife is very sharp for you. I'm teaching Auntie Princess how to peel a matoke, and she's doing a great job. Keep doing it, and Princess. Just put it here. I start here. Yes. And then I do this. Yes. Ang bagal ko, guys. And the way you're holding it, eh? Oh my gosh. Look, you have to hold like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Then you do this. she's learning how to peel matoke, and she's doing it at least more than some people. It's very hard to peel this.
I killed it. Wala na guys, ubos na ang matoke guys. Mama, it's not easy job. I have to do it every day to learn it, right?
Yes.
I'm going to put my stuff in the machine now.
You did a good job.
Thank you. You leave one for me.
It's finished.
Because I wanted to show them how it looks like.
I showed them the app, the other one. The one I have it on.
Okay. Wala na akong saging na ubos, but ito yung saging. Ito yung kanilang matoke, guys. Na hindi ako natira ni Fiona kahit isa. Pero binalatan niya na, at yung pagbabalat niya kanina, tuwa ako kasi yung pagbabalat niya. Can I have soap? You still have soap?
Yes.
Can I have a
Oh
little?
boy.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're smart.
Thank you. Ang buhay natin eh. Buti kapag ka meron siyang meron kang amo or employer na naiintindihan at suportado ka. Kasi dito ang iba hindi makakaintindi eh. Pero ako, hands up ako sa kaibigan ko kasi yan yung opportunity na binibigay niya sa kay Fiona is something na hindi mababayaran ng pera. So, nagluluto na si Fiona ng breakfast namin, katogo. Very guys, vegetarian, no meat breakfast. So, ang sangkap niya, kamatis at saka sibuyas. Ayan. Sibuyas. Dito tayo, nanonood ako ng pagluluto ni Fiona. Sarap ng saging o bigla ako naglaway. Pretty it's cooking, that's all.
You didn't know how to cook my
Katogo, yes, I know katogo.
I don't know how to peel it.
I don't know how to do it.
But this guy is paying, and it was at least better than some people.
Yeah.
It's very hard to peel matoke.
I want to be feeling like real Ugandan, like you and
You learn.
Sarah and anyone else.
You learn
Like I have to do it all the time.
every time.
So,
Even
katoro.
if the first time it was very hard for me, but now I'm somehow perfect.
That's perfect. So, una sibuyas. Then, kamatis. Those pineapple, they are going to be very ripe.
Yeah, I'm going to cut some today.
Okay, I thought you wanted to make omunanansi.
What?
Omunanansi.
Omunanas.
Good morning, Doreen. Kamatis.
So, if matoke is your language, how do you call it?
Saba.
Sabah.
Mm.
Guys, today I'm going to make sabah.
Saba.
And here is sabah. And this princess helped me how to peel it. Then I was showing her how to peel this sabah.
But our saba is not as good as matoke. Matoke is very good. Yeah, I like matoke more than saba. But matoke you cannot, matoke you can cook like how we cook. You can roast, right?
Yes, you can roast it. You can roast matoke. You can boil it. You can fry it.
Mm.
Yes.
I like it when it's all cooked different ways.
Yeah, you can even boil it with the peelings, eh?
Mm.
Yes, then you just peel it when you're eating it.
And the picture is very nice banana.
Idol itu ngakeret, mata bong.
Just smart, look at that.
Hey, let me see. Wow, so pretty. Also look like chitenge.
Yeah.
But I thought you're supposed to be like,
Yeah, but I feel like for culture, I might just put it
yeah, that's true.
Be
For
respectful.
culture, that you're right. It's not like we're going to the garden. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, yeah, that's nice. That's nice, and I love the color. Very nice on you. I'll show you my where's my upload about you and Sarah Pedon t-shirt. I'll show you the comments of my people.
Okay.
So this is Sarah Eteso account. A fake account.
Okay.
So
I am going to use these two, turmeric and paprika. Turmeric, paprika for making my matoke. And my matoke is looking so nice as you can see from the outside. Let me show you guys when I am near it. Yes, salt. This one is salt. I'm going to put here.
dropped. Wow. So konting spice ang hang, konti lang naman. And what I like about your spices here is pure and natural, walang halong harina.
Yes, the pure.
Pure.
Like this one is local.
Yeah, turmeric, ground turmeric. So ito nakita ko doon sa palengke namin. Magdadala nga pala ako ng spices, no? Pag uwi ko sa bahay kasi alam nila, mahirap sa...
That is how matoke look like. As you can see, it is boiling, and I know it is going to get ready soon in few minutes. Matoke cannot take a lot of time because it's the easiest, so it is the easiest food that we always make for breakfast. So I think everything can take something like 30 minutes. Peeling it, cooking it, it can take something like 30 minutes. Then you enjoy your food, your breakfast. So we are going to have this for breakfast. Our matoke is now ready. Let's go and serve it. You have to leave it with some soup so that soup can be helping you for eating the matoke.
That's enough for me as well.
It is now my time to go and take tea, and that is how my breakfast look like. Let's go and have some breakfast. If you really love this kind of content, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.